when I pick him out so totally. When I so talk, plenty talk, little action. Now we don't land, I don't make my money. My container pattern.
Yes. Okay, we have
and I'm a lazy fair. Kalia Babangida, Obama Mapanano. In Lano, propose them to a White House. Baga contract. Friends they call me, babes they worry me. Obu one my fault. Imane Fadigo. Rihanna they find me. Beyonce they eye me. Maganam neti. Maki Fadigo. Los Angeles to New York, London to Paris, what about Bangkok, China to Malaysia. If we're an international businessman, Imanana me Messifique. Just imagine a quay. Imagine a quay. If you never hear something, you never see a quay. If you never see a quay in action, then you don't know a quay. A quay now, why you? When I pick him out so totally. When I so talk, plenty talk, little action. Igana nola, kitatago, kibakananya, makana chile foko, tinyago no channel, joy figaro. Come with the leg, Pacanonia, Bongo, Nona Batego, Onga Libano, one at Tapafu, and Miss Baraka. If you never hear something of it, you never see a quay. If you never see a quay in action, then you don't know a quay. A quay now, why you? When I pick him out so totally. When I so talk, plenty talk, little action.
Hey! Oh, I'm here just dreaming. Oh God. Hi. Honestly, this sleep, I enjoy it. I think say na rail. I must go. Let me go back and continue where I stopped. Let me just come. I must finish this dream.
go for a lazo. Oh, not a city event. Eh? I want to realize. Eh? It's a little job at Abata. Eh? You look what? Eh? Oh, what? I tell a family. What would take a language? Eh? For them of you, for them, for them, you have to share in the year. Eh? Oh, what? Eh? I got to put a glamour. I didn't get a glamour, but what I'm eh? You want to go on the man with the one. Oh, boy.
Makana chile foko Tinyago no channel Joy figaro Oxena no labor.
Are you now telling me that boy is doing that thing without anything?
How do you mean?
You asking me how do I mean? Is he the only person in this village that knows how to blow common flute?
So you're insinuating
that boy is using charm. He's using, take it from me, he's using charm.
Listen to me. When a man is successful, don't throw stones at him. Don't point fingers at him. Try and look for a way of being successful too.
Work on myself. What are you insinuating?
Beautiful. What I'm trying to insinuate is, please, he is a good flutist. I can be a very good singist and you'll be a very good dancist. Lovely and nice.
No, if
now, we both combine. I sing, you dance.
Wait, if I get you correctly, what you want me to understand nice, you sing, I dance. I dance, you sing.
You dance, I sing.
Etum. So you look me from Isim to Mporokum, that is from my head to my toes, and you want me to go there and dance and people will spray me money as a madman.
You are a very stupid person. Don't you know that flutist there? He's doing that thing and people are spraying him money out of their own volition. Is he a mad person? Huh? Why are you behaving like this?
I never know you are.
You are you already see your condition. You even look mad. The only difference between you and a mad person is the fact that you are working with me. And if you don't want to be mad, go and cut some of this thing.
I never know you are too cheap. How can we dance because of money? For money?
Let's dance. You will see money come out.
Etum, leave that in. What do you think we can do in this village without charm?
Leave charm. Leave charm out of this. We can be successful.
Okay, fine. Which music are we taking now? Is it hip hop, high life, or even are we going with Michael Jackson?
With your baby reggae.
Reggae. Why not we go Italian? Come. Did I ever scavenge your bushmeat? Anyway, look at their faces. I'm joking. It's just a joke. How are you all?
We are fine, sir.
What are your parents, mommies and daddies?
They are fine.
They're okay? Yes, okay. Jen, come go well.
Thank you.
Could even GC Kulu Boda as your watcher. If a wifey kill my car, so girls like this have been in this town, I didn't know. Hey! Okay, be a wallow chase. Okay, be a ban on or doeze. The week. Hey! Look at what their buttocks are doing now. Malaros and Kola no Buddha. Can I ever sleep comfortably
with these buttocks going up and down. Mbugugu, mbugugu. Mbugugu, mbugugu. Nkakale shaking bottom. Eh? I'll find what to do about those buttocks. Hey! Okay, I take one mbugugu, mbugugu. Mbugugu, mbugugu. No. Okay, me. Abano cheze. Nobody sees what I'm seeing. What am I going to know about if I can see a friend? Hold on to this one. Hmm? I told you I will change your life for the better. Eh?
Hey, Nai, only me.
I told you I will change your life for the better.
It's not too much.
It's not enough in the first place. Eh? You will leave this orange business and go to a higher business. Oh? So we can still be at par.
Hey.
But where you are now, too low for me.
Hey.
Too low for me.
Nai, Ocha. Hey.
It will interest me to see you do a better business. Not orange selling. What is orange? Eh? It belittles you.
Hey.
You know?
No. Hey. Hey. Only me. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
The one is plenty.
It's all meant for you. Eh? I'm coming for more.
You know, go Igbo. I need orange.
Can't you see our oranges are finished?
Sir, am I talking to you? Are you a go?
I am here with her.
Are you talking to me?
I am here with her. You're talking to her. You think I will intervene? Where are the oranges you want to buy?
Chief,
where are the oranges?
Are we going to run away?
You are free to go.
You don't belong here.
If you don't want to sell again.
You don't belong here.
You don't want to sell again.
Your level is low. Go where you belong, not here.
Chief.
So
it has gotten to this extent. It blocking some people's business.
Lagos,
Chief, look at your attire. You are not kidding like 16 boys. 16 years boys.
Where I am taking care of a woman, a beer bang when I challenge him. Eh? Obelempi, not challenging Nukumpi.
Anyway, I'm leaving.
I will deal with you. Eh? Who can be a wall eh? Who can be a bano chase?
Imagine, I don't even know what your son will be doing when you are doing this one at your age. Imagine your son. You look at even your trouser. You believe you are putting red and the stripe.
No, pack your things and go. Don't listen to this aboro. Because oh. Oh, can be. It will no chase. Eh?
Nah, honestly, look at you. Lagos is okay. You said not Lagos, Ghana.
In Ghana.
Ghana. I thought it's Lagos. So. Hey! What type of phone is that?
This is Samsung Galaxy Phantom S.
Galaxy.
Galaxy.
Oh, nah, stop all this. Nah, they brought me up and down now, making me shine like you now.
Listen, I was even planning to come and take. It's not all these things that you where they mess up with Okbole and Etum. Grow up, man.
Nah, you know easy now. What are you still waiting for? Nah, do this thing sharp now. Take me up. No. They bring me down. They brought me up. They bring me down.
When I settle where? Don't listen where you and them Okbole
and I'll follow you.
Nah.
Fly! But your phone, no.
Brother, so you are here. I've been looking for you everywhere.
Why are you looking for me everywhere? You want to give me breast or what?
Mama is down and I refuse to talk to anybody.
Mama?
You have to come with me now.
Mama?
Come, let's come.
Mama is down?
Yes.
Your sister?
Mama Sinachi.
Man, this girl is not bad.
See. I know we are friends, but anything concerning my sister, don't go that place.
Let's go.
Which kind of thing? Are you still?
Brother, let's go.
If you never hear sample of Ekwe, you never see Ekwe. If you never see Ekwe in action,
No.
Mama.
It's okay.
Mama, when did this happen?
As I returned from morning mass, I noticed she was weak. Before I knew it, she started collapsing.
Hey!
I'm sorry.
How? Upon all the morning mass Mama has been attending in this house, upon all the Eucharist Mama has been receiving in this house, upon all her confessions, yet Jesus, you are here doing nothing. Jesus, you are here raising your two hands up. Oh, let me know what's up. Ma, you better talk to Jesus. Talk to Jesus, because if I do anything I'm going to do in this house, don't blame me. Don't blame Mukwanam.
What's the meaning of what you're saying? What's the meaning of what you're saying?
What am I saying? What am I saying? I said to Jesus, did I put Christ? Huh? Okay, now imagine Lazarus. Lazarus that died and was buried for 3 days. Jesus went there, brought this man back. Okay, I'm not talking about Jonah. Jonah did not travel by sea, by air, or by road, but inside the belly of a fish. Okay, look at Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Only to hear Mama, Jesus, you are here, looking at Mary. Mama, you better talk to him. I won't take this sabotage. You better talk to Jesus. And if I leave here and come back, what I'm going to do, don't blame me.
Come back here, come here.
Come on.
Where do you think you are going this early morning?
How is it your business? How is it your business? How?
It is my business so many ways because you are my husband. You are my husband.
I paid your dowry.
Ocha, please. I don't even have time for you. I need money. I need money for foodstuffs. And do you know that there is no food in this house? You know it.
The one I gave you before, what did you do with it? What? Let me tell you, there's no money both here and in the house. Do you think money is plucked from the trees? There's no money.
Ocha, you don't have money.
Yes.
Okay. But you have the one you share to the widows. The
widows you are talking about. It's just like they have sent you. Go and tell them you did not see me.
Today, for both of us.
How?
You and I will live as one. Ocha, you and I. You and I. You and I will live as one.
Okay, since you're bent on causing yourself havoc, drive the car, let me trek to my destination. Now what is it? You're following me?
Today, not today.
Hey! Okay, be a well honored. No chasing. Okay, be.
You don't want to make it. And they more beautiful than I. You don't want to make it. Come, let's go together.
Stupid woman who calls herself my wife. You want to be stupid forever? Okay, since you have vowed to follow me anywhere I go, complete journey for me. Let me go back. Oh, I won't give you 1 hour again.
You still have money to talk. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Ashamed of what? Why?
Shameless ego. Shameless man.
I'm okay.
You cannot even bring money for your own family upkeep.
Money I gave you, what did you do with it?
You're busy sharing money. Like for the Christmas.
Money I gave you, what did you do with it?
How much?
Big enough to buy food. How did you entertain me as your husband without money?
Didn't you eat food yesterday?
Eat what?
I fed you very well yesterday.
Half plate.
Me?
I ate half shop. The meat I saw in it was degrading. If
you make it, have mercy on your soul.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Please, if you want to complete the journey for me, just complete. Let me go back.
Just take a good look at me.
Look at what? Look at what? Waist.
Look at my waist. Are they more beautiful than I am?
On bed, I take care of you. Ungune mama na figure can in the bed. Ike igba okula agba wan maki oko. Nko ogbago nko loboda. What is your problem? If I look at women outside, overlook it. African man does not stay with one woman. It's the plain truth.
Shameless man.
Let me tell you, even if you want Kambia Kwoni Ruike, I will do it, but leave me to rest. Men will eventually take care of them.
Must it be you?
Eh?
It mustn't be you. Today's outing is for both of us.
See, complete my journey. Let me go back.
So about Tom.
Who's about Tom?
To the house.
You stop following me this moment.
Okay.
Will you stop?
Okay.
Will you stop?
Forward march.
Okay.
You and I together.
Forward march now. Forward march.
Hey!
Oh.
Okay, no chairs.
I'm ready for you today.
Okay, tukulu, no chairs.
That's your business.
Take one direction, let me take the other, the opposite. Eh?
Nah, I'm still worried. Up till now, my mom, she's still sick. Even at the point that she refused taking anything, food.
Hey, yeah, poor woman. So what are your plans now?
You know, I came to you, if you can borrow me money, let me buy some drug for my mom. Yes, I don't want her to die.
Okay. Like I said, you're my very good friend. But I don't have 1 naira like this in my pocket. There's nothing I can do, my hands are tied. Okay?
You don't have 1 naira?
Yes, now, because even if it were you alone, I would have said that's not my business. But since your mom is involved, it's a serious issue. But come to think of it, this thing that I asked you for us to start doing, how far?
No, are you still going back to what you suggested?
Where did you want me to go again, front?
Let me tell you, you said it's you that said you are my friend, though. So why not prove it to the world that you are my friend? And this is the golden opportunity for you to prove you have somebody like me as your friend. Are you giving me the money or not?
Oh my God. See, I suggested means of your making money. You blew it up. What did you want me to do? I think you saw this coming and you know that you have the heart to witness your mother die.
This man was passing, he goes. I beg you catch up, hold up. Asimune kwaya, chideya. Makoti buko kwanda uli. Ojeba kwanda ojebego. I see they go, no control. And if you shoot,
Good day, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, please, is your wife in? My mother asked me to call her.
My wife?
Yes, sir.
Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Please, who are you and who is your mother?
Late Maziobi's wife from Umota village.
Maziobi has got a girl as big as you are, with well-formed breasts. Hey! Onwa Joka, only river, death is bad. Sorry, no.
My mother has been sick for the past 3 days and she said I should call your wife.
Sorry, because tell your mother I'll come to see her in a jiffy. If you open Marapia, let me come and see her. You go, oh, hi.
Nah, she had heard you. She has heard you.
Hey, auntie.
My dear, tell your mother that I'm coming. I will soon join you. Huh?
Bye.
Obocha. When will you control yourself over what is under the skirt? Look at the way you're looking at this girl.
Do you know you are a stupid woman? Eh? Didn't you know that I started helping humanity in this house without looking back?
On your help.
Eh? All the widows have been taken care of by me. Elijah in the Bible did it to a woman of Zarephath. You are aware of that.
May God have mercy on your soul.
Every activity of mine is Bible-based. So I will not stop any because of you. What are you talking about? Eh? Okay, me. No cheze. Eh? What kind of wife have I married? Even in the million, once I look outside, or she will be worried. Eh?
How is she feeling now?
Brother, her body is still very hot. She's not agreed to eat anything. What kind of sickness is this one?
I know why I'm keeping quiet too. You are here looking onto your own mama. Why my mother here? She's still ill, Abi. Mama, you better talk to Jesus also. Because if I live here, eh? Oh, wow, Mom! You are not sitting!
Yes, my son.
You can even talk!
I thank God.
Hey! Jesus, I respect you. Mom, do you know that this naturally worked?
Mama told me, but why did you do that, my son?
Mom, don't worry, you will not understand. Eh? You will not understand. Ha! Abieko! I respect you. Boko Haram on this, so.
Bye, 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 bye.
Ah! Oh, my home!
Oh, where now? Is somebody here?
Mama! Mama!
Yes, Mom.
Go and check who is at the door. Hey, thank you, Jesus.
Hey, Uncle.
Wow, how are you?
Fine, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. What of your mother? Is she now okay?
She's okay now. She's very fine.
Let her know I am around.
Okay, let me come.
Okay.
Mama! Mama! Welcome. Somebody is looking for you.
Oh, Pacho!
Hey, Angela. Yeah.
Oh, Pacho.
I know.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
This one, you are in my house today. I hope all is well.
Oh, is it wrong for one to visit a friend? It's not. In fact, we were there celebrating a child naming ceremony.
Yeah.
If you stretch your ear, you will hear sound still going on. So it occurred to me that your daughter told me you were sick. I said, let me come and know how you're faring.
Hey, I'm getting better.
Getting better.
We thank God.
But I was
Butcher or whatever they call you. Eh? As you can see, my mom here, she's well. So turn around and go to your house now. What is this? What rubbish is this? Who is this?
He's my son, my first son.
No. It's me. If you are confused, I'm in position to correct you. I am not the youngest brother, nor the senior brother. She's my mom. Obocha, for your information, my mom is a widow. Doesn't give you the GF, the guarantee to enter this house. As you can see, there is no vacancy. Turn and leave this house now.
Hey, Agwe, what has come over you?
Mom, there is nothing over me or under me. Something is wrong with this chief he goat here.
Okay, I will leave. I will leave. But we shall see.
Eh?
No.
We shall see.
Obota,
yes.
Obota, if you open your mouth to utter that word, they shall see. I run now and report it to your wife. We shall see nothing. No, let me talk to this he goat.
Did you say this is your son?
He's my son.
Oh yes, Narugapota. You are Molonia. I don't believe it. We shall see.
No, allow me. Let me talk to this man. You don't even know why I called you mom. I called you mom because you are still young and healthy for me. My young and healthy mom. When you depreciate to mama, you can look people like
But what's the meaning of this now? What is the meaning of this?
Don't even call me. Don't call me.
What is it?
Look at how this boy messed me up. In spite of the fact that I came to turn their life around. And I helped her out. If not for my intervention, look at this boy that I call yaw. Who can be a woman or not? Okay, like I said, I know what to do.
Hi, please, I'm looking for Chief Raymond's house.
Raymond! Chief Raymond! Wow! You know what? Chief Raymond's house. Come close, come close. You come like this, straight. No. I understand. Yeah, I was just trying to explain more.
Can you please tell me where I'm going to?
Okay, now when you go, you move straight like this. You corner. No, never mind. It's a passerby. So come. You know, with things like this, you don't walk crooked. You walk straight like this. 1, 2, 3, and then you move.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. No. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. How can he do this? Huh?
If you never hear sample of it, you never see Ekwe. If you never see Ekwe in action, then you don't know Ekwe. Ekwe na wayo. Ekwe na big mouth, so tori. Ekwe na so toko. Plenty talk, little action. I want to make money, plenty money. I want to count in dollars, not in naira. I'm a big man.
This is Chief Raymond's house.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Can you please take this?
What? Me? Take this from you?
It's for the stress, you know.
What stress? What stress? Please don't get me angry. I'm supposed to be the one to give you money, not the other way around. It's just that I forgot my wallet inside the house. I would have given you 5,000.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
Bye-bye. Farewell.
Yeah.
I need that money, Sha. Nyanga. My husband.
Still be on the beat.
Yaga, spiritual. Faster music, e-money.
Back, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Reverse, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Show me your particular, baby, pull over. Baby, you pull over. In a light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Back, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Reverse, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Show me your particular, baby, pull over. Baby, you pull over. In a light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over.
If in a man, they make me they follow your lane. I like how you did. I want make you follow me play. If in a man,
now. What will happen? Where are you going to?
I just remember that I got something to tidy up at home. I'm so sorry, please. I'll join you soon.
Okay, no shit, Sha.
Just take care.
Just watch
See
out.
you later.
Okay.
Reverse, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Show me your particular, baby, pull over. Baby, you pull over. In a light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Back, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Reverse, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Show me your particular, baby, pull over. Show me everything I want to see. In a light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Say we there for your matter. Yeah. When I wine and I wine to the center. Yeah. You know say we there for your matter. When I wine and I wine. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ngiro. Eh? And you, old man, what have you come to do in my compound with my daughter?
Good afternoon, sir.
Which good afternoon? Which good afternoon? Eh? Don't you feel ashamed? Can't you go and marry? Eh?
No, sir. It's textbook, sir. Yes, textbook. I'm trying to.
Okay, you're now
go textbook. Yes, sir.
Textbooks. So you've just begun to stammer. You don't talk properly again. You don't. Go and marry. You look like Ndimboshie. At times I look at you, I see you as a grandfather. From the other picture, you look like great-grandfather. Stop coming to my compound. I'll deal with you today. Today. Stay there. Stay there.
Papa.
Papa, what?
What kind of embarrassment is this one now? Eh?
Which embarrassment?
Huh? Don't you used to have your own phone? Or is it because I'm not told Mama? You think I don't know what I used to do in this village?
What rubbish are you talking about?
Okay. Are you not going out with Mama Ekwe?
That's a widow.
What about the one that sells orange at the junction?
The second widow.
Okay. What about the late Azuka's wife?
The third widow.
Oh, okay. You think I don't know that you opened a salon for a woman in this village, Abi?
Yet, the fourth widow.
Papa, let me have my phone in this village, or else I'll go and tell Mama everything you do in this village.
You don't need to tell me anything. I've already heard everything. And I know about them one by one. Let's see where this will lead us to. Like father, like daughter.
Are you not aware that the four of them are widows?
Shame!
Go and get yourself a headache. And you go, oh, what shouldn't concern you is bothering you. Eh? Hey! Okempi, ewolo cheze. Okempi, ewolo cheze. And you? I can see this tonto.
Madam, I beg bring one more headache for me, I beg. Oh, boy.
Oh, boy, John, I get more.
No, we can't touch him.
I'm not getting more.
Hey!
Boy, my John, I'm going to watch.
Hey! Oh, boy. Any other boy is counterfeit. I want to go to the one people. I want somebody to get it. Hey! I got it in a bed. Hey! If you have him, also,
Give me one bottle of anything.
Hey! Obian. Hey! Obuaja.
Yeah, madam. Yeah, madam, I will bring your bottle. Why next time? I will go with the bottle. Nah, this guy is making serious money with that Oja. Yes. Or do I go and beg him to teach me? No. That guy is too full of himself. Maybe I will try a $2 suggestion. That is dancing. Yes. But before dancing, I have to learn how to dance now. I need to learn how to dance so that I can attract viewers. I don't know how to dance well. Besides, I will not. I saw a $2 carrying Onyinye on his bike the other day. I will not. I know he's my friend, but I don't trust him at all. I don't trust him. Lie. What will I do now? Yes. Quick. I know what I will do. I will go and meet Obere and Opori. Those little guys, I can intimidate them easily. Let's know if we can arrange something good. Yes, this is what I will do.
Plenty talk, little action. I want to make money, plenty money. I want to count in dollars, not in naira. I be big man, make you no doubt me. Potential big man. I be they feeling me. My container go come tomorrow. Money go they follow, guess go they follow me. And left and my right, even my enemy go come borrow. I from my hand, just imagine a way. Imagine a way. If you never hear some full of fake way, you never see a way.
So how na day?
Okay, we are fine though.
Oh, you even know my name, Ekwe?
Who doesn't know your name in this video?
It makes it easier now, honestly. Between us now. I mean, me.
What makes what easier?
No. Only, let me cut all this gospel short. Honestly, I've been nursing this great bomber romantic feelings about you. Even to extent that you a calabash to me, seeing you in my dream. We're taking pictures, doing some romantic, acrobatic, things too.
Ekwe, who do you see in your dreams?
True to God, who made me, is you, Makachuku. I can't lie to you. It's you I'm seeing in my dream.
Hey! And what has that got to do with me?
Only it, in fact, it got everything. I want us now to become friendship. Why are you people laughing?
Alright.
I said I love you. In fact, the love is supposed to be in past. I loved you.
Ekwe.
Sir?
Who do you love? Me? Ekwe, so you have the guts to stop me on the road and talk to me? Ekwe, if you try it again, stop up as oh my God, what else you don't like it? Do you hear me? Nonsense.
Wait. Onye, you are the one talking to me in this. You need a higher pitch of manner. Shouting on me. Who are you, sir? Who's you? Eh? Who born you? Who are you? Let me tell you, I just want to do you a favor. Eh? I'm bringing you up and you're putting yourself down. Look at you.
Baby, let's go. I don't blame you.
Come on. Go! In fact, it went out. Cut away you. Do you know how much it will cost from my pop to rearrange that bush or bushes in your head? 1 second, because I want to help this bombastic food. What you have in your body is just only that shape. Others is nonsense. Food. In fact, let us see where this journey go end. I'm going to tell you that my name is Ekwe. Ekwe na Akwako. If I don't have you or get you in this village, nobody will get you. Oh, you even get the effrontery, the impetus to insult me before the villagers. Don't worry. I'm going to teach you some lessons.
I hope and sincerely hope that you have given this singing and dancing thing a very good thought.
Yes.
So what are your plans?
Well, I have thought about it without seeing a single good thing in it. So I stopped thinking or thoughting.
If you like, think. If you don't like, leave. Is it that old motorcycle that my father kept like my inheritance? I can always use it, hit the road and make money daily. But what I will not want to tolerate is you're coming to my house to disturb me for money.
Who will beg you for money? Me? Forget it. If begging you for money is what is making you scared, my dear, forget it. It's even you that will walk to my office very soon and start paying tithe to me, because I'm going to open mobile church very soon. Yes.
You're opening a mobile church.
Very big one, no.
These villagers, they know your story. So it even amazes me, the fact that you're not even afraid of being lynched to death.
Hey, you see, prophet is hardly respect in his own town. Okay, let me ask you. All these pastors where we they see for television, where they pray, they do miracle. I tie my tie, I share this, I share that. Are you telling me they pray more than me? Okay, because you know me now, because you be my friend.
From the way you are going, I have a very strong feeling that you will dress up, leave your house to church, but it is from Kirikiri you will come back to the house. It is this same me they will call. Who is his best friend, next of kin? Oya, come and sign.
Let me tell you, Etum. Very soon it's you, Etum, that will walk with your 2 legs and enter my church and kneel down and say, Pastor, pray on my head. And I will cancel you. I will cancel you or cancel you. That is me going to prison. I don't want to see you as an enemy of progress. Don't worry, it will happen.
Nne, it's because you're feeding him free of charge. Let him go and learn trade like others.
You are there. In Eba. But I saw Chief Ude this afternoon. But I don't even know what to do before this boy disgraces me more further. Before he disgraces me more further, I don't know.
Nne, first thing tomorrow morning, go and see him. He's a good man and he likes helping people, more especially the poor people. Go and meet him.
You have a point there. Anyway, I'll go and try my luck. Let me see if something will come out.
Go and see him.
Mma Sinachi.
Yes, Mama.
Bia onemo.
Hey, Auntie.
Man, how are you?
Fine, Auntie.
Big girl. You're not looking bad. You are good though.
Nemo, go inside the house and pick money from my purse. So you will get a abada soft drink to drink.
I'm come back for what? Am I a visitor in this house?
Hey!
No, I'm not.
Abada will I'm okay. Abada na chokobo. No, progo do no chalo no.
Get me water.
Okay.
Madam, I'm not going to be faithful. I've heard what you said. See, I really don't need an apprentice now, especially grown-up one like this. But what can I do? Because of the relationship between your husband and I cannot say no to your request. Well, I'll be traveling back to the city by next tomorrow in the morning. Let him get prepared. We'll go to the city together. See, the only thing I want to tell him is that motor business, car sales business is not just an ordinary business. It's not like pepper, salt and oil business. You have to take your time, have to shine your eyes. You know how to convince customers so that you can get the money from them. If not that, the person will fail. So that is the only advice I have to, issue him before you. So you talk to him when you get home. That's all. It's okay. It's okay.
God bless you. I'm not going to feel good. I'm not going to feel good. God bless you. I have a kaipa. We shall take our leave. Egwenti. Let's go. Now let's take our leave.
It's okay, madam. Take care of yourself. Okay, my dear.
Where did you buy this rice?
Mama Emeka.
Which Mama Emeka? But I told you not to buy rice then. Huh? How do you go here? Can one more? Ha! Then, Aja.
It's very dirty.
Hey.
Mama, let me go and set it.
Hey. This one you're sneaking into my house. I hope all is well.
Is he in?
Who is in?
Your stubborn boy, of course.
Oh, Chimo! My son has traveled to the city.
I knew.
You knew. And you knew, and you are still sneaking in.
Just trying to be sure.
You want to be sure? Oh, Bodo.
I don't know why that boy hates me. Eh?
You know boys of nowadays now, eh? He's trying to protect his mother.
He is overprotecting you.
Oh, mommy, I can't.
He has passed the boundary. Is he going to marry you? He should give me a chance to remarry you.
Hey!
He can't do it. He has no capability of remarrying you. Eh? See, I was even the one that convinced the chief to take him to the city. Then the chief told me later that you people came and confirmed we are traveling.
Hey, yes. It was my sister that went, not me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The boy was overdoing it. Let him give me a chance. Eh?
He's a small boy now.
Give me a chance. Eh? Yeah. Take all this.
Hey.
Yes.
Obia. Obia.
My love for you will continue to grow.
My daughter.
So, let us meet at the usual place.
Where?
Usual place in Akwekuma.
Okay. Get time or when? What time?
You're asking me a time. You don't know the time we usually meet. Up, ma'am. My legs are on the way.
Yeah, we come on up. Yeah. God, eh? God, you.
This Manchester people say, huh? Hey, 14-1. Hey. Ha! This one is real Aban. Ha! No, whether if you see your number or if you see your number, Ma'am, I don't see them. I know say this kind of people, if they call them now, their number no go. Yeah, but this girl, you're fine, no, you're fine. Hey. Okay, that's 07. Yeah. Hey. Okay, I know whether you go safe. Ideringo. Pick your call. Hey. It's ringing. Hey there. Hello? Hello? Yes. No, not the only son. You are speaking now with the only son of the governor of Abia State. Yes, Nami. Thank you. I see your picture, now your picture where they put for magazine, newspaper I see. You look more than take away. No problem, just I want us to become a friendship. Make we become friendship. Yes. Don't mention, see, money, if you know who is talking. The only governor at the state, general. Yeah, I will spoil you with money. I bench you with money. I slap you with money. You can, if you like, and if you eat money. Make we become friendship. I do you, you do me. I give you money. You give me.
Is your guy in there?
Yes. No problem. Don't forget about yes. No mind the location.
Is your organ in?
Yeah. Oh, that's my baby. Oh yes, darling. You know, when you said love, I love you with money. If you know who is speaking now, I am on top of money.
Do you know I'm talking to you?
I put my leg on top of money. Yes. No, forget that. Even if they come from Abuja, London, I can fit the bill.
What has come over you?
Yes. Thank you very much. I'm waiting. Thank you.
Can't you hear me asking if your guy is in?
What is your problem? Huh? Which one? You saw me here. I am making international. I did here they connect international. You are here disconnecting me.
What is wrong with you, Ewe?
What is wrong with me?
What has come over you?
Come over me.
Yes.
Over me.
Ekwe.
Don't even say Ekwe, because if you say Ekwe now,
I'm asking if your guy is in and you're here fooling around, eh?
Why are you asking? After all, how many motor you don't buy for this shop? Also, Oga, you can see so Oga no day. Eh?
Ekwe, you are going beyond your limits.
Eh? My limits?
Yes.
Okay, if I go beyond my limits, then I draw it more long. I think beyond the limit.
I found out that something has really gone wrong. And we're going to see to this.
Okay, they go. Okay, they go. You go bring
we will see to this. We will see to this.
They go. We don't need cleaners.
This.
If we need cleaners, we will invite you, apply you. Huh? Witchy people. Look at something why they connect now. With only your voice now, this lady go reject you. Don't come again, no. What's your problem? And then yeah, if I say I don't dare heaven, this idiot can't enter here. Where the girl self?
I hope this business is paying you well.
No, it's not, bro.
Otherwise, I set up another business for you.
No, if possible,
eh?
If possible, like I want to change, if possible.
Okay, let's be moving on.
Okay.
Can I go do?
Nice. So it's you. Eh? It's you that doesn't want me to drink water and drop cup in my marriage. Now who is this?
What have you come to do here? What have you come to do here?
I'm looking for home.
Looking for home?
Do I can natural.
So home is no longer big enough for you.
Hey.
And you carried your dilapidated body to come here to cause trouble.
You called my body lapidated.
Eh?
Obocha. Obocha. The worst part, you're not even ashamed of yourself. You know what Ghana here making? Eh? Allow me to talk. Come on, Michigan. Shut up. This is my show. Obocha, Abada no question. Eh? Just take a good look at me. The good look at Abada. Rags. Eh?
Eh? Your buttocks were scratching you. That's why you're here.
You are mine. Come cable.
Let's do it at home. Leave me for outside.
Shame to yourself. If you don't want to give me working, and you, so you allow me to enjoy my marriage, eh? I'm talking to you.
Hey. If you wound somebody who is innocent, you'll be in trouble. If you touch her again, I pierce you into two.
Me?
I pierce you into two. I'm not joking. This will go into your body. Into your body.
Obocha.
Leave it now.
Obocha. I want you man.
Adamado, how are you? Good afternoon. Where are you going? My way? Let me lift you.
Depends on where you're going to. But as for me, I'm going this way.
Since I've seen a girl as pretty as you are, I mean, it should be my assignment. So wherever you're going, I am ready to lift you.
Wow, I'm flattered.
It's not flattery. Okay, let me confess this moment that I have seen the prettiest girl around here this moment. Are you from this village?
No, I'm from Delta State. I just came to see a friend.
Delta girls are as beautiful as our own girls. Yes! See, I'm just seeing my dream come true. And if you will agree with me, let me take care of you. I lift you to whatever height you want in your life.
You must be a very good man then.
I am good. My name is actually Chief Upocha Obodo, a man who comes out of his way to clean up the whole place, to beef up things that are supposed to be beefed up, like you, beefing up your beauty, your looks and all that.
All right, sir. Let's see how it goes then. But as for now, I have to be on my way.
My queen, you can't be on your way when you've not given me your phone number.
Oh, don't worry. I'll keep in touch whenever I come around. Just trust me.
How can I trust you when I've not got your number? Let me get your number first.
Like I said, trust me. I'll keep in touch. Thank you, sir. Bye.
You're going just like that? Just like that? Hey! Okembi. Ewolonodo no cheze. Okembi ewolonodo no cheze. Why did I miss it? How did I miss it? What trick did I fail to use? Ah! Okembi anodo no cheze. No. You have sworn never to leave my daughter alone. Eh? Okay. And what are you still doing there? What are you still doing there?
He's just teaching me how to operate the internet.
Teaching you what?
Yes, that's exactly what we're doing. I'm teaching her how to do WhatsApp and Twitter and Google.
Asiocha, Asioji, Asineji can be in Seattle. Whether WhatsApp or WhatsApp, or Google or Google can bunanya, or Twitter or Twitter. Leave my daughter alone. Leave her alone. Don't worry. I know what to do. I'll go and report to your father and your kinsmen, and they deal with you. Get home, this idiot. Get out from there.
Oh, okay now. I'll go and tell Mama what you used to do. I'll go and tell Mama.
Tell Mama what?
Papa, don't you know what you used to do?
Will you get home now? Just look at her. Look at her buttocks. Did you put apple on your buttocks? Eh? No wonder. They're after you. Not even after you, after your buttocks. I don't know what I want. I want what I can be. I want what I can be. I want what I can be. Hey! What can be a one? No chance. Eh?
I'm going to your house. Angela, you. I'm going to your house. Angela, you. What is this? Angela, you of all people, you betrayed me.
What did I do? Auntie, can you come here?
You're asking me.
Tell me
I
now.
thought you were my friend. I thought you were my friend.
Yes, I'm your
friend. So you
friend.
have been sleeping with my husband. Eh? Claiming to be a Christian and also my friend. Angela,
bring your voice down.
You won't shout to your friend. Angela, do you want me to shout?
Stop shouting at me. You're disgracing me.
Hey.
What is it? Yeah?
Angela, you.
Bring your voice down. I don't like this. Yeah, say what you want to say, I beg. We're listening. Don't talk to my mother like that. She wasn't talking to you. Really? Like mother, like daughter.
Angela, I'm just warning you. Let me just warn you. If you try me again, let me just hear. Go and ask them. I will do to you what I did to others. Just try me.
Me?
Try me and see me, Angela.
No, Angela.
Hey!
I'm your friend, though.
Who? Are you walking?
I'm your friend.
Let's go.
Mama, You never allowed me to teach this daughter of ours the lesson.
No.
Rubbish.
No. Let me also. Just try me again.
Papa, don't know wow.
Do you want me to shout? Hey! If I let me again. Any man, shame.
Oh my God.
Asha, try me again. Try me again. Meme.
Abada.
Meme.
Abada, Bianca, can you please say
no,
off?
Let's go, it's okay. I thought she's your friend. Let's go.
Can go, I don't know. What kind of disgrace is this?
Ma, it's okay. Just remember. You know you're recovering. It's okay.
What kind of disgrace is this?
Stop crying now. Ma, stop crying. I don't like this.
See, if you look at me now, you know that I have. In fact, my palm is touching money now. So that's why I have to remove all these things. Shave it and look neat. Okay? So here now I have a lot of things I want you to give Onyinye. You see here. Like, and you know, this thing hold their side. You know, this one, this is belt. This one is trouser. And the other one. And then wait, there is another one very important. This one is very, very important. Wait. Put this.
Put inside.
Packet it and keep it for me. Or take this one, give me. Then the other one, money. Keep it for me.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So you have to go now.
Okay.
Go now.
Hi.
Oh wow! You're here. I got you this. Have it.
For me?
Yes. I hope you like it.
Wow. Yeah, they are so beautiful. Where do you start selling clothes?
Selling clothes? Me sell clothes? Come on. I am an importer of textile products from Lagos into this village, and I export agricultural products from this village to Lagos. Do you understand that? So that is why I just decided to buy you these clothes, and I knew you will love it.
You bought this for me?
Yes!
You can't be serious.
I bought it for you. As a matter of fact, I'm not done with you. I am going to take you to the city in no distant time. Do you understand that? I'll take you to the city and you experience city life. And you will see my friend Dikeh. Do you understand that?
Wow, that is lovely.
I just love the way when you say wow. I can't wait. You know what? Just come. Come and motivate me. Come on. You know there's something they call inspiration. Okay? You can inspire me to do more. Just come on. Compensate me a little. Just give me a little hug. Come on. Christ. Kai! My! I will bring you by tomorrow a whole bale of clothes. Do you understand that? In fact, what kind of skirts do you like wearing?
Thank you very much. I'll see you later.
How many skirts do you want? You don't even wear skirts. So with Dikeh. So in his mind now, I am bank. $1 International Bank in his head. So he'll be keeping this huge amount of money with me, and he thinks that as a man I don't have plans. Can't I be a shop owner? Can't I be a car owner? I choose shop first. My head thinks investment. A car is a liability. So I choose shop. It's not possible. It thinks me a fool, but I'll show him I'm not a fool. This money to investment, you go.
Seriously. So you mean that Ekwe has the guts to invite you to city?
Babes, yes, so. But you know why I said yes?
Why?
Because I want to cut my own pound of flesh. You see that guy? I will so deal with him, eh?
That is, I met Chai. You will learn how to respect
Seriously. But babe, you are going with me, Shao.
Huh?
You know it's Saturday. Babes, it's a deal.
Deal, thanks.
So, you are saying Ekwe. I want to show you something. You will be so surprised. Give me some seconds.
But okay, I'm looking bad.
The Lord is good all the time. And all the time, the Lord is good. Hey! See me. Who said God is not good? Kai! It is good. It's good to be a sharp nigga. Look at my shop. And the Chris.
Now, Ekwe don't land. I don't make my money. My container patago. And I'm a lazy fair.
40.
Kalia Babangida.
Okay, 12. No, it's a good one. Send them in immediately. Please eat whatever thing you people want to eat. Eat and drink and wine and dine. Sorry, I'm just talking to my friends here. Sorry. Yeah, see you there. Let me tell you something. The person you are looking at now is no longer the Ekwe you saw the other time. This is a new Ekwe. Are you with me? I am telling you that the Ekwe you are looking upon now is on top of money.
You are the brain.
Thank you. I know you are saying it because of what you are eating. I'm telling you. Etum, talk to them. It's like they don't know who you are.
Yeah, Ekwe is money. And money is Ekwe.
Oh, yeah.
Bang.
And I'm trying to use it now as a trademark. Wait, it's another call.
Ekwe.
Hello, White Crow Beach. Yes, I'm in a great meeting now. Yeah, just with some of my friends, yes. How many containers? Okay, 40 feet. By what? Oh, no, that one is a good one. It's a good one. You can, don't waste time. Just, I will tell my account officer to forward you some good amount of money, yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Those big phone like laptop. Do you need them?
Of course now.
I will get you two. I will get you two.
Is it only her?
What's that?
What do you want? No, I heard that you are still owing in your school, so I'll pay your school fees. Don't worry.
About the cash.
Round up, let's so that we can go. Where this waiter? Is it wait taker or waiter?
Waiter.
Okay.
They are coming.
Where waiter? Oh my dear, sorry. I don't even know your nose is even close to the money.
You are in money.
When you have a bunch of money like this, you weigh your hand backwards.
Just money from the right source. Ekwe, invest. Invest in women. You will reap.
Hello, sweet. Look.
Good evening.
It's me. I told you I'll keep in touch whenever I come around, right?
I don't remember telling you this address.
Well, if you don't like my coming here, can I swear leave?
No, please. Pardon me. I was just joking. But I was just inquisitive. I'm sorry. You come back, please. I am alone.
I know. I know that your wife and your daughter went to the market. She'll be back in the evening.
How did you know?
Because I care about you.
Oh, That's my girl. That's my girl. Love this. Woo! Oh, come, let's go to the house. Right?
Okay.
The entire house is done, so let the two of us go and.
Yeah, I'm not a happy man.
Ekwe now, Ekwe. You know what things I told you. My wardrobe have changed, my accessories, my costumes and all that. You know now.
Even your yuka?
Yes, now. Ekwe.
But Onyinye, you heard me now saying that this man here, Ekwe, lying by your side is not a happy man. You would have asked me what happened.
Okay, sorry, what happened?
Do you know this? Can you imagine? These are our airways and their services. I bought a ticket to Holland.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see how much you want. Dad, I promise, okay? I'm always yours.
You leave me.
I won't leave you.
I'm going to commit.
I promise.
The worst.
I'm all yours. Always. Anytime, any day. Okay? Come on, easy. Easy. Oh, sweet baby. Baby. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. You know what?
I went there this morning to occupy my seat. I take my own flight to Holland. And they said they have given it out to another man.
Hey,
Out of anger, I called the governor of the state. I tried to call the president. They said the travel. And those things you are saying, where are they, this and that, I left them at home. If not, it was not that my driver dropped me that I remember I wasn't with my car, my house key. Do you know I bought you the latest laptop? Hey! Even the motor we are talking about, the key is in front, is even on top of my television stand.
Hey!
I just came here for you to make me happy.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like not leaving.
Wow, feeling so relaxed.
Can we feel like this forever?
I know.
Baby. Promise me you won't leave me.
Promise. Just trust me, okay?
Let me please.
I'll always be with you whenever you want me.
I just by accident saw you in the photograph on your screen with somebody. With that man.
Just my brother.
Your brother?
Mm-hmm.
You're really close.
Yeah. I see you're jealous.
As I am now, can't you see I'm removing my shirt? My head is spoiling.
Why you don't wear no shirts now?
Honestly, in fact, I'm angry. I just came here so that you mellow my head. You know, you give me those things. Honestly, I don't know you are so beautiful like this. Do you know all those days, all those weeks I have been with you? Look at you, I haven't realized how beautiful you are.
Eziokwu.
Look at your chest. Look at your eyes.
Hey.
Look at even your lips. It's doing me come. You know, honestly.
Calm down, you know what? Take this off, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me take it off. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, B. Okay. Okay, B. Okay, yo.
No!
I have it.
Stop me.
I'm in charge for now. You've just treaded on a deadly part. And I'm here to teach you a lesson you will never forget in a hurry.
I will change.
Come to think of it, why do you find it difficult to control that thing in between your thighs?
Let me not say it's a fault. I will do it.
Keep quiet!
I will change. I don't know what to say. I will change. Please help me. I don't want to make love. I don't have this instrument with me.
Listen to me. Okay. I'm here to warn you. Those dead men you sleep with your wives are angry with you. Okay. And it's better for you to change. If not, you will die a very painful death.
I promised you. I will change. Please give me the key.
Anyway, I will let you go for now.
Okay, okay.
But I promise to be back if you don't change.
Look, just come back. If I fail to change, if I don't change, come back and deal with me. Because please, let me have a key.
Please listen. Take
it. Oh! Take everything. Go to my
Hey! Mba! Okembi! Aya!
What is it? What is it? Onye ajo mbe na agwo so powo ihe na asia. What you're up to now? Get it for?
Please, I am not up to anything.
Then talk to me.
I thank God it just came at this point. I don't want to die. Help me. Something is wrong in that house. Yes.
Papa, which one you did say? Who's killing you, Biko?
What do you mean? Shut up your mouth, I'm talking to my love. Biko, there's a ghost inside that place. A ghost in the house.
Hey,
Biko.
Me alone.
Biko, no. It's not the time to quarrel.
A ghost?
Yes.
Inside my house?
It's the time to save life. Biko, inside the house.
Ghost, Kwano.
Hey.
Now, only your mother man from work at Biko, Kwano.
The skeleton of ghosts is everywhere in that house. Biko. Biko.
This thing is getting out of hand. Go and call the police for me. Go.
No. Something will happen.
I'm going inside.
No! Don't go. Let the priest confess.
Do
you want to die? I don't want to lose you. Please, let the priest come. But let's go to church. There's danger inside that house. I can't go there again. Biko.
Okay, let's go to church.
Okay.
Honestly, my brother, it was like hell to me. In fact, I don't even know how I get myself into this village. Understand? So I went to your house. You weren't there. And they directed me to follow this path. Luckily for me, I met you here.
So, you mean you suffered like that in Onye's hand? And she was changing into many forms of demons? How?
Do I look like a liar to you? I told you that everything happened black and white before my very eyes. Honestly. Although, let's just keep that one aside. The shop I saw you, who owns that shop?
Oh, my mother.
Eh? Etum?
Yes, it's my mother.
Wait. Your mother, the one who don't die, or you get another mama? Because as far as me, Ekwe is concerned, you have no mama.
What kind of joke is that? Huh? It's my mother's shop, for God's sake. My mama, she was a pensioner. And from gratuity and pension, we just decided to contribute money because she likes shop. I know that anyway she is there in heaven, that she's inside shop. So we built shop. You see at the back. Since my mom doesn't, she's not too shouty a person. We wrote at the back, you didn't see, in loving memory of my mother.
In loving memory of your mother?
It's a memorial shop.
Anyway, that one is not even more reason why I came. That money I gave to you, I need it now.
Which money?
The money I gave to you the time you visited me in the city. I need it, please.
Can't please.
That money I packaged and gave to you the time you visited me in the city. I need it.
Oh, I now recall.
Yes, come, let's go.
Now?
Of course, there is no time. We don't have time. We don't have time again.
Oh, you don't reach 4?
It pass.
Hi, it's past bank time. You come next week. Already this weekend.
Wait. I come. Why next week?
Actually, for in your best interest, I put that money in the bank. Okbakwere microfinance bank.
You put my money in Okbakwere microfinance bank?
Yes.
Meaning my money just gone like that?
No. It's just a subsidiary of Isim Nauku microfinance.
Give me that money now, or both of us will destroy ourselves.
Are you serious?
Come, give me. Come now, let's just go.
This is an offense before the law. Is this where you gave me your money?
If you know how I give you that money, provide that money now, or else I will remove this your head now from your neck.
Did you give me that money here?
No.
Ekwe.
So why are you...
Ekwe.
Eh?
Why are you guys fighting?
Hey!
Nami go remain.
Look serious here.
Look serious. Show me serious. Now that it's like this, how are we going to do it now?
Wait, you and me, or you alone? All I want is my money. Give me my money.
Your money? I gave it to him here.
Huh? See, I will kill you here and I'll bury you here. Give me my money, oh.
I gave your money to him.
Give me my money.
Your money?
I will kill you and bury you, and nobody will dictate where you are.
We will kill ourselves.
We will kill ourselves.
Yes.
Hey!
The two of you will never rest. You think you can joke with me? I will take over that shop from you.
Hey! 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 Oh, come see, Jay. Is this how my life is going to waste away?
When you are in Christ Jesus, you will enjoy everything. You don't need to be afraid of anything.
Oh, pastor is here. Senior pastor is here. Yeah, the senior pastor.
Pastor Nick.
Hey, pastor.
How are you?
Bless you, sir.
Bless you.
Pastor, this is Johnson. And Johnson just gave his life to God.
You don't say? You just gave your life to Christ. Yes. Oh, my brother, the Lord bless you. Thank you so much. That is the wisest decision you have ever made in your life. And Brother Johnson, whoever led you to Christ is indeed a true friend. Cherish that person. Listen, you see, you will begin to experience some newness, some changes in your life that you never expected because the hand of God is upon you. And because the hand of God is upon you, things will not be the same. You will be totally transformed. You'll be delivered. You'll be protected. You'll be provided for beyond your imaginations. And guess what? Heaven is rejoicing. God is saying, my own has come back to me. The Lord bless you.
Amen.
I'm happy for you.
Amen. Amen, Pastor. Pastor Johnson here, he told me that he is a wonderful singer. He sings well.
You can sing? Yes. You see? You see how God uses his own for his own. What are we talking about? In fact, tell Brother Dixon to make sure he's well rooted in the choir. You have to be planted in the Lord. I'm so happy for you. It calls for celebration. Let's go inside. I'm happy. See, it is a blessing that has ever happened to you. So it does have to
Bless you, Pastor.
Sister Favor, bless you. I was just thinking of you, and here you are.
Yes.
It's the Lord's doing.
Looking for leaders.
Oh, that's interesting. That reminds me, this is Brother Johnson. He is new in church and he sings very well. So I want him to join you because I believe he will be very, very useful to you guys.
Okay, no problem, Pastor.
So please make sure you make him comfortable. Oh yeah, please, this is Sister Favor. She's in charge of the choir. She's going to put you through and make you comfortable. Please make him comfortable. Then okay, I'll leave you guys.
Brother Johnson.
Sorry.
You are welcome. Come inside, let's start.
My master has already sacked me. Hey! The hard-earned money I saved, I gave it to Etundo. Etundo is not telling me stories. And I call my oh! Look at Onyinye. After my life. Onyinye is now after my life. Oh! Hey! Hey! Oh, what will I do? What will I do again? Will I jump inside lagoon on the trailer? What will I do? What will I... Oh! Oh God, no. Hey! Ah! What will I do? What?
Owa wifonye metalo buru. Owa wifonye metalo buru. Owa wifonye metalo buru. Owa wifonye metalo buru. Akamade. Sugar. If we metal and one more, MSN niggas around again. If I only melanino, away, okay, see where Banale and us. Oh, we for your metal. kpachala anya